Hi everybody, so this is just a quick introduction video on how to set up your Edmodo account. So what you want to do is you want to type in here www.edmodo.com, which will bring you to this home page. For those of you that have already set up an account and maybe you've forgotten a password, as long as you remember the email address or your username, you can go forward and set up a new password here. For those of you that are new to Edmodo, you scroll down, click on the Students tab here. The group code will be the group code that either I've issued to you or you've maybe received from a manager. You type that one in there. You'll put in your details, your first name here and your surname. For your username, if you could set that up so it's your first name and your last name together plus and some sort of identifier. So for example, I might put in, for me, Case Vanderweel 020, and that would make sure that that's actually a unique username. Edmodo is being used by quite a lot of different people, so there's the potential that your name is already being used. Could you please put in an email address, because any changes or any updates that I make to the groups that you're a part of, you'll get instant email notification of, and then you also need to generate a password. So again, please look to generate a password that you can remember, or make sure that you record that somewhere. Now once you've done that, you would then press the sign up for free button here, and what that would do would be automatically generate your account. Once that happens, you would then get access into the Edmodo group that the code corresponds to. So what I've just done is I've actually logged into my account, and you can see here this is what your account would look like. So let's say you logged into this testing 1 group. You would see then any of the posts that I've been put in there. You can see here I've embedded a YouTube video, and then I've also attached a document as well. Now documents can be downloaded for you to work on. There's certain groups where there'll be Word documents where you can start entering details on. There's also links to where you can get additional information, which could be to do with some of the tests that you need to do, for example for maths or English. So you will have a breakdown of all the different posts that make up the group. If you want to reply to something that if you've got a question or you'd like to get some more information, you'd press that reply button, you would enter in some details, and then you can look to reply to that one there. Now sometimes, well, certainly from the position where you guys will be accessing it, there'll be another box here down below that would say reply to the group or reply to a specific individual. Now what you want to do is reply directly to me, and then that will mean that any comments that you post will be private and just between myself and yourself. Now what you will all find is that there's more than one group I want you to join. So if we go back to the home setting here, if I wanted to join a group, or I wanted you guys to join a group, I would press that plus button there, add the join, or press the join tab, and then I'd enter in whatever new code there was to join that particular group. So let's just say I've done that, and you can see here you then start to get a list of all of the groups that you're a member of, and then you can start looking at moving between those groups, always pressing the home button, which would come back and have your contents lists of groups there. So what you'll get from your manager, or what you'll get from me, will be a group code, and then you can go through that process and start adding those on. So if anybody has any questions, please feel free to get in touch with me, and good luck working through the different groups. Thanks guys, bye.